What's going on YouTube? And we're back with another one. And today I'm really stoked because I just got confirmation email that my carbon fiber interior mods that I ordered from Next Gen Speed is here. As a matter of fact, I think I just heard a knock at the door. Let's go down and check. Oh, and I was right, they're here. All right, they're here, just like I expected. Now, time to go unbox. Okay, so we're back. So the long skinny box contained this piece right here. The bigger box contained all the rest of the pieces. So, and I must say, these are some great quality looking parts. Great quality looking parts. So I'm just so stoked and I'm ready to get it installed. So without further ado, let's get it started. So before we get started, we want to make sure we have all the proper equipment to get everything done. So what you're going to need is you're going to need some water mixed with alcohol to clean, microfiber towel, and some heat. So I got my wife's blow dryer. She's probably going to kill me when she finds out I used it for this, but oh well, I'm willing to take that risk. So let's get it started. So I've just cleaned off this portion right here. So now what I'm going to do is take the red tape off, add a little heat to it, and then we're going to get it stuck. So what's going on? I just got the first piece installed and it looks pretty great. So pretty much with these pieces, all you do is you clean the surface with the water and alcohol. You apply a little heat to the back of it after you peel the red tape off. After you peel the red sticky tape off, apply a little heat and then apply pressure to wherever you're sticking it. I'm sorry, I would record me installing everything, but I don't have a tripod, so it's kind of hard to get the different angles and all that good stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to install everything, and once I'm done, I'll come back and show you what the finished product looks like. I thank you guys for being patient with me. I'll see you in a few. All right, and we're back. So I finally finished installing all the carbon fiber interior mods from Next Gen Speed. I forgot to mention, I would advise you guys to get some tweezers to peel off the red sticky tape because it's kind of hard to get off in certain places. All right, so here we are. Here, the little door speakers. Right here. There. Down off in there. Right there. And there's a piece right there. Cup holders, cigarette lighters. It also came with this piece, but I think that'll be too much carbon fiber. And then of course this portion right here that actually says Camaro. Stereo. Then right here, as you can see, there's an Autobot there, but everybody that knows me, they know this car is called Berserker, the Berserker from the Transformers. There's carbon fiber there, and over there. So the only pieces that I'm missing are for both of these and this. And then there's a carbon fiber piece for this up here that I'm missing. So all in all, I would say it gives the car a great look. It looks amazing. It looks amazing. I ordered it from Next Gen Speed. It cost me $595. If you count all the, I think it was free shipping, so $595. But that's great for 22 pieces. And the quality is great. Gave this Camaro a completely different look. Looks amazing. I give this 5 stars. I would definitely be ordering from Next Gen Speed again. Hopefully I'll be ordering the Dynamat floor mats. But that's all I got for you guys. You know, I was gonna do the install video, but I couldn't because, like I said before, I don't have a tripod yet. I'm still, you know, getting equipment, working on that. So, but here it is. So that's it, guys. That's all I have for you. If you like the content that I put out, give me a like, subscribe. Leave me feedback, good feedback, bad feedback, what I need to improve on so I can get better. Any feedback is good feedback. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.